Know how when you see something that you can't unsee? That's how we felt when we realized the grant writing world was not going back to business as usual because of the current administration. The world has fundamentally changed. Think AI, federal funding chaos, job security, all of it. And when those puzzle pieces clicked on how we needed to change to serve you in this new environment, we sprinted at rebuilding the Grant Writers Collective experience for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how you fit into this new program and why we make this as accessible as possible. I first started teaching grant writing in 2017, successfully online by 2020, had over 3,400 students, more than 1.6 billion in grants won, and they have made more than 12 million in revenue. It has been an incredible journey to help so many people make a big difference in their communities and in their lives. As you grew up in your career, we did too. So grant writers who have been with me since 2020 are still with me with big girl businesses. We expanded these rooms into the house and we just kept serving you. It was kind of like my parents' house that I grew up in, right? Like as they had more kids, they added on a room. But all of a sudden, it was just too cluttered to be in the same room, in the same space, talking about making your first $2,000 as a brand new grant writer, and then hiring your first real help at $200,000 a year. And then of course, our poor in-house grant writers were feeling lost in all of this money-making talk that was not relevant to all of them because that's not the challenges they're facing. One size fit all was no longer fitting all. It doesn't work for big pants, and it certainly does not work for your career. In October last year, we gathered in Bend, Oregon for our annual team meeting, and we sketched out the vision of the Grant Writers Collective becoming 5 programs instead of 1. I was still on maternity leave, 6 weeks postpartum. I showed up to surprise my team because I did not want to miss the creative birthing of our next evolution. Also, October in Bend is way better than rainy and increasingly dark Alaska. Fast forward to late December and we locked ourselves in my living room for 3 days. We covered every wall in Post-its and we got to work mapping out what you need to be supported at every level of your career journey. Because the questions that you ask today are not the questions you'll be asking 1 and 2 years from now. Then January hit, I'm officially back from maternity leave and we were pedal to the metal. Once we had the outline of what we wanted to get into your hands, we were chomping at the bit to get it to you. And then it hit me that if we're going to be producing all this new curriculum, we should have a refreshed brand to reflect the elevated experience. And y'all, a full brand overhaul in 2 weeks is straight insanity. We did not want to lose our hot pink, but I also found that the unicorns everywhere and the hot pink overload was causing me to be feeling a little bipolar in my clothing, like I'd wear all black after filming, and that felt out of alignment. I wanted our brand to reflect this grown-up version of us and you. Here's what that mood board looked like. See the cute jacket? Love it. I used Pinterest reverse image search to track it down. It was for sale, new with tags on Poshmark, meant to be. To give you a sense of timeline, we got the slides back January 28th at 2:30 p.m., the design anyway, and by 3 p.m., I had them in the hands of our graphic designer so that I could film the first batch of 30 videos the following Friday. Insane. Wherever we had bottlenecks, we brought in collective members to help. Mary built our workbooks. Joy helped with the funding research video scripting. Caroline helped with the grant writing videos, weaving in everything we now know about AI for grant writers. It was a boatload of work. We truly did a year's worth of work in 3 months. Oh, and all while casually planning and hosting a stunning 120-person conference, the Grant Writers Gathering, on National Unicorn Day. You'll have to catch the Gathering recap video to see how epic that was. I'll link it up next. So the big picture of why we completely overhauled the program beyond federal funding changes, AI hitting mainstream, and how you get clients is just fundamentally shifting. It was also that we had this one specific segment that had become our lost middle child. So once members make 15K, they hadn't yet made enough to quit their jobs by any means, and they were getting lost. They were really in the thick of it. They've had success, but not enough to make the leap. And I'll be honest, that's where we were letting them fall through the cracks in our old program. They were a major reason of why we overhauled things so that they would get the dedicated support they need through one of the hardest phases of a career transition. Now, the next big reason we rebuilt was to better serve our in-house grant writers. Some want to side hustle for extra cash, right? That's cool. But otherwise, they need dedicated support for their actual jobs, and we were not giving them that experience the way that we can now. And finally, my experienced grant writers who were new to freelancing felt like, well, what, am I just gonna be around a bunch of newbies? We needed a way to guide them through the process that actually matched their existing knowledge as grant writers. Without further ado, let's get into each level, shall we? Level 1 is Earn and Learn, 0 to 15K. This one is for you if you have zero experience in writing grants and you're really trying to figure out if this is the next big thing for you, a viable path for your life. Maybe you're burnt out in your current career, you're a mom returning to the workforce, or someone just craving more freedom and purpose in your work. The promise here is that you go from zero experience to your first 15,000 in paid grant writing work so that you can confidently decide if this is the next move for you or not. No volunteering, you're earning while you're learning. Level 2 is Mind Your Business. This is going from you've made 15,000, you've confirmed you like this, but you know you're far from having the revenue to actually quit your job. So now we need to dial in your systems to find great clients and deliver this work alongside your 9 to 5. The promise that we have for you is that you will turn this side hustle into a business that's bringing you at least 5K a month so that you've got the stability to leave your 9 to 5 if that's what you desire and move into this next level where we really unlock some financial freedom. That would be here. Level 3, Scale and Exhale. 75K to 250K a year. The real talk is that this level is very tough at first. You are doing it all yourself. You feel like you don't have time to find new clients because you're super busy just delivering client work. And in this program, my promise to you is that we will get you to 250K a year as a consulting firm with a very small, reliable collaboration bench. That's our way of saying a small team, so that you're paying yourself a 6-figure salary. You can take a vacation from your business without everything coming to a stop. And I promise it's not any more work to run a 250K business a year than 100. Then level 4 is the Unbound Founders Club. This is going from 250K to $1 million plus a year. This is when we really open things up also to other social impact consultants so that you can build a network for referring and hiring each other. This is a mastermind program. It's focused on systems, team, healthy financials, and marketing. Level 5 is in-house track. Last but not least, right? This is for our in-house grant writers. You want to kill it at your job. You want to do really great work, but not grind yourself into the ground doing it. This is built around the core principle that you can win more grants by writing less, following the methodology that we have, where it's a very practical training, very systems oriented, and you're having a community of peers who understand what it's like to be an in-house grant writer. Several folks also enroll in level 1 if they want to make a little extra cash on the side, but that's a personal decision. So $0 to 1 million and beyond. That might sound like nothing you want right now, and I get it, but consider this. Coach Courtney, she joined us with just the goal of replacing her nonprofit job income and being less stressed. She did that within her first 10 months. 3 years later, she's at $650,000 a year in her business, and she actually just brought her husband in full time so he could quit his job. I've got others that are in their mom's season of life, and I get dads too, so don't let me deter you from that. But they want to keep this at 15 hours a week and no more because they want to really be present for their littles, but making 50K a year extra is freaking awesome. You don't need to know exactly where you want to go. I want you to stay open to all kinds of possibilities. I'll give you one more example. Caroline thought she'd consult, but then she got 2 dream offers, job offers, that represented a $20,000 pay raise, and she still keeps a client or 2 on the side for extra money. Not bad. You might have already guessed where you'd start. Like if you kind of listen to this, you'd be like, yeah, I'm a level 1, or I could probably get into level 2. I have a side hustle gig, whatever. But I want you to know that we created a 1-minute quiz. It's linked in the description. It'll match you up with what your goals are and give you the next step to evaluate us further. I'll link it up below. And with that, I'd love to know in the comments, what do you think about Collective 3.0 not being in a one-size-fits-all pair of pants anymore? I'll see you there.